it's currently 8 a.m. right now, and we are going to go to a hot bath. I look so ugly right now.
Wait, why is it hot then? Why is it hot?
So we just finished taking the hot shower, and my hair is like so bad. So we're on the way to Hongdae by train, and I'm so excited, so see you there. Oh my gosh, guys, this is Auntie Yourself's name tag. So we're gonna go soon. I have to say bye to this dog. Oh my god. So we just went to the dog cafe. How was it?
So fun.
It was so fun, but now I have so much,
mind, you guys.
so I have so much like fur on my pants right now, and I hate it so much. But like they give you like tape so you can take it off and everything. Yeah. So before at the dog cafe, this girl, she used her hair to flick this whole can of scissors, and since I was next to her and she left, it looked like I did it. And so the workers came up to me and I was like, oh, it's okay. And I was like, I was gonna scream and say it's her fault, because it was her fault. And then they were like, oh, it's okay, Gunchana. And I was like, oh, okay. That was my Korean moment right there. Today is the 27th of December. So we're going on the train to the castle. See you there. So it's so cold, so we're wearing gloves and earmuffs and hats. Wow, the castle!
안녕하세요.
Ew. So we're gonna go back to the place and return this hanbok. It's so pretty. So that's it for the 2 hours have finished, sadly. The dress was so pretty, bro. But anyways, I'm probably gonna eat something, I don't know, probably walk around. But yeah. That's so good. So today's gonna be a very exciting day. We'll be taking the bus. I'm pretty sure it's a 2-hour trip to the border of North and South Korea. And I am so excited because it's the border and I'm scared. Like, I'm scared yet excited. So yeah, we're near the bus right now and we're gonna go. It's so cold right now. I'm wearing so many layers and I'm still cold. But yeah, see you guys there.
One, two.
So guys, we're up to like the last part. I'm pretty sure at the suspension bridge. And I just want to say that it's so pretty out. I barely filmed while we were at the border because you weren't really allowed to film. And also because the weather makes it like 7 times hotter. Wow,